Hey everybody, it's a Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to show you how to put henna on your hair. Let's do it. It's Friday night and I'm going to mix my henna with distilled water. I use Light Mountain Natural Henna, and this color is red, and I've always been a redhead, but now I have to help it out. So I poured distilled water into Ball's canning jar so it can take heat, and then I heated it up on the stove so the water will be good and hot. Now I'm going to pour henna into my mixing dish. This is what it looks like. And I'll probably do about a third of this bag. I'm gonna mix water in. You do a little at the time because you don't want it to be really runny, but you don't want it to be too thick either. Still kind of goopy, but I'm going to leave it like this. I will let it sit covered overnight, and then tomorrow we will henna-tize my hair. I've got everything set up and ready to go to henna-tize my hair. This is what the henna looks like after it's set overnight. Now I will stir it and make it even more smooth, and my hairstylist will be here any minute. Here's my amazing, beautiful hairstylist, Roxanne. Roxanne is going to put henna on my hair. Obviously, I desperately need it. Ah!
Well, henna is a plant-based color, so it's not anything that would be harmful to the hair. And the process is that you mix it beforehand and let it sit to get it to a smooth consistency. And just like typical color, you'll part and put on each individual part, each section, usually from the back to front, so the wrap process is more quickly, and then you get to the front and let that process with a shower cap, and we'll go through and see what the process is like.
So now we're going to set a timer for 60 minutes, and after 60 minutes we'll rinse the henna out and see how well it takes. It's been 60 minutes, so I'm going to remove the shower cap and I'm going to rinse the henna out of my hair, and we'll see how it does. Okay, it looks like it took really good. I'm going to dry my hair, put on a little makeup, and then we'll style the hair. My hair is dry, and now Roxanne's gonna style it. I just want it curly, not too curly, but just make me look good.
All right, I'll do my best.
Roxanne, you did it again. You're so amazing.
Thank you. You're gorgeous, so you pull it off every time.
Aw, you're so sweet. I have a little surprise for you.
You do?
I do. Just a little happy to say thank you for doing this video with me.
Oh, thank you so much. It's always a pleasure. I love doing your hair.
Aw, thank you.
Oh wow, this is gorgeous. Just my style. You see the big hoop, so I gotta do the big bracelet. And it's two-toned. How gorgeous.
I thought of you. I thought that looks like Roxanne.
That is me. Gorgeous.
Thank you so much for watching The Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give us a thumbs up. And if you're not following me already, I hope you will. Have a great rest of your day, my friends. God bless.